I've done it again. I don't believe it. Twice I've done a tour just now and forgotten to turn the camera on the phone on. So this is what getting old means. Welcome to the allotment. Yes, the orchard zone is much the same as last time we did an update. The only real life showing is the gooseberries, which is showing little shoots. Marginal progress on the raspberries, but difficult to see, but we showed it last time. But now every single one of the 9 rhubarbs are showing life. We are yet to erect the polytunnel around here. The unhappy beans, as I call them. Well, I've got some news there we'll be looking at in a moment. 2 rows of garlic looking really well, and the rest are a bit sporadic, so we'll interplant around them. And you'll see we've got some things we can do that later. Under the cover of peas. These are for shoots, just for salads, not for peas and pods. Here are the germinated peas, ready for planting. And here's me planting them. And the rest are rows of root vegetables, 2 rows each of giant red carrot, a mixed carrot, and parsnips. Parsnips hopefully could be there for Christmas. I forgot to mention that I built these 2 new beds. After putting them together, I put cardboard in between and put down a layer of bark chippings for a pathway. Then lined a bed with cardboard and filled it with compost. Bean trench, well, it keeps getting dug up, which that's fine. There's nothing really noxious in there. It's just kitchen vegetable scraps. So I'll recover it and probably do another layer of kitchen scraps, and then that'll be done. So I've actually got the whole trench has got kitchen scraps in it, either underneath or pulled up. But I'll dig over that in a little while. Maybe add some fish and bone as well, just to make sure that we have a happy run of beans. Into the greenhouse. These are peas, this time 4 pods. They haven't germinated yet. They are saved seed from last year's Lord Leicester, and these are exactly the same, and we've got some germination. Above them, potatoes. I think we're good to start planting them now. Globe artichokes, cauliflower showing their true leaves, and some cabbage. Down below we have, slip of the wrist. We have spring onions and beetroot, and these are asparagus. I'm going to buy some crowns, but in case Charles Dowding says quite often modern crowns don't germinate, but I'm not quite sure what to do with them now. I'm not sure they're supposed to be that tall and leggy. But if you know more about them than me, please let me know in the comments. And raw beans, the new ones I've sown, now germinating. folding chair just unfolded around my feet, and now I'm having difficulty getting out. So it's a beautiful day, so the next day actually, and we're just looking at what was the allotment and is now here. A mixture of lettuces and some radishes which need watering again. Now, one thing I noticed about these CD trays is they do need watering quite often. In larger old-fashioned trays we've got chard, 2 types, and spring onions, Apache, also sown, and the mystery mix of radishes, so some follow on there. Just to show you, overwintered we have some rocket and lamb's lettuce, which for the first time this year looks like they need watering, and some overwintered lettuces as well. So on this beautiful spring day, the day before the equinox, or some people say the equinox, see you next time.